Welcome to our Montessori Workshops tutorial on the binomial cube. Introducing the binomial cube. The Montessori Binomial Cube is a sensorial learning material with 8 wooden blocks that form a cube when assembled correctly. The blocks are color-coded and represent a mathematical equation. This material is introduced to children around 3.5 to 4 years old to develop pattern recognition skills. It serves as a foundation for understanding more complex mathematical concepts in the future. Before starting, ensure the binomial cube is correctly set up and the lid is open to reveal the completed cube. Then, sort the blocks by color order and begin building the cube layer by layer, following the lid's pattern. Guide the child through placing each block in the correct spot, emphasizing color matching and pattern recognition. Encourage hands-on exploration and discovery as the cube takes shape. 1. Before introducing the material to the child, ensure the binomial cube has been out away correctly. 2. Remove the lid of the box so the painting of the completed cube is facing up. 3. Pull down one side of the box at a time and gently remove all the blocks from the box one at a time. 4. Sort the blocks by color order. Make sure to leave an inch of space so that the color can be clearly seen. 5. Tell the child you are now going to build the cube and using the lid of the box. Begin with the red block. 6. Point to a red side of the placed block and say you need to match this color. Demonstrate closing the box and replacing the lid to keep the cube intact.
Finally, invite the child to work with the binomial cube independently, allowing them to engage with the material and further develop their spatial awareness and mathematical understanding. Enjoy the hands-on learning experience with the binomial cube. The binomial cube is introduced to children from around 3.5 years to 4 years old. In these early stages, the purpose of the material is less focused on the complex mathematics behind the material, and rather is to provide a challenge for a child's ability to find patterns and relationships between the blocks. Due to this purpose, the binomial cube falls into the sensorial curriculum area. This material is a precursor for more complex mathematical concepts, including fractions and algebra. If your child continues to learn using the Montessori philosophy, the binomial cube is used in the primary years to understand and experience algebraic concepts. I hope you find this tutorial useful.